Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, August 8th, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across banking and financials, metals and mining, energy and power, IT and technology, telecom, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in banking and financials. SBI is up plus 2.84%, trading at 1,085 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that SBI chairman Sethi rules out asset quality stress in Q1, says seasonality distorts sequential PARs, The Economic Times. The YONO digital banking platform is building a retail liability moat. Corporate loan book quality, the historical weak spot, is now at decade-best levels. The dividend policy has become more generous. Watch for any RBI guidance on priority sector lending norms that could affect cost ratios. Moving to metals and mining. Tata Steel is down minus 2.82%, trading at 187.55 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower on tech weakness but recover after hours on strong micron earnings, MU, Avgo, Google in focus, StockTwits. The technical picture for Tata Steel has deteriorated. The 176.30 Indian rupees level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. Moving to energy and power. NTPC dropped sharply minus 2.11% to 342.50 Indian rupees. The move follows reports that current price of oil as of fortune. After today's weakness, the 332.22 Indian rupees area is the first meaningful support level to watch for NTPC. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Moving to IT and technology. TCS dropped sharply minus 1.66% to 2,373 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that stock market rallies after early sell-off. eCathamirini.com. The 26 to 28% EBIT margin band has been consistently delivered. The market wants to see whether AI-driven productivity allows margin expansion beyond the upper end of that range. Attrition stabilization is a positive signal on demand confidence. AI services deal conversions are the emerging growth driver. Moving to telecom, Bharti Airtel dipped minus 0.92% to 1,959.90 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower on tech weakness but recover after hours on strong micron earnings, MU, Avgo, Google in focus, StockTwits. Bharti Airtel is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the 1,999.10 Indian rupees resistance and 1,920.70 Indian rupees support as the boundaries of the current range. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is weakening against the dollar, trading at 95.20, which matters for import and export-heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Every morning, before markets open, we break down exactly what is moving and why. If you want that edge every day, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If today's analysis was useful, a like is the best way to support the channel. We genuinely appreciate every single one. We read every comment. Drop your view below. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.